Well, hi there. Welcome to BSF Recovery Team. I got to put my radiator in the truck, and but first we got to clean up a little bit here. We got our winch in, and I think we're going to turn the tow truck around. We're going to clean up a little bit, turn the tow truck around, and then we'll get started on the radiator. Let's see if we can get this radiator out. Highly modified fan shroud. Don't have to worry about draining the coolant because it is empty. Bitch. Well, this is why I need a new radiator. This core is done, and it's been repaired before, and the big thing is this tank is ripping out of all the cores. So I decided to get a new radiator. Maybe we can get this one fixed and have a spare. I don't know. Damn, that fits nice. I know, I should change my core support. And then I'd have to change the fender, and then I'd have to change the doors, then I'd have to paint them, and it's just easier all to do it all at once. Then I'd have to take care of my rocker panels. I'm just not ready to do all that yet. I'm just waiting till we get Blondie done. Well, the wife just called, says it's time to come in for dinner. So we're gonna go do that, and we'll be back tomorrow. Because I've been out here all day. Mostly cleaning, but I've been here all day. Well, it's the next day, and it's time to put our highly modified trowel in. Okay, well, we'll see if we put a hole in the radiator putting it in. I hope not. And we gotta put our new belts on for our pump. We have an engine-driven hydraulic pump. Don't let the top of the, don't let that go in the radiator. For a test drive. Well, let's see if we have any horsepower. Getting heat too. All right. Well, it's not leaking. I'd call that a win. Well, it sure felt good getting back behind the wheel of the wrecker again. And it's good that I didn't hurt my motor too much when I overheated it. I wouldn't say it's 100%, but it's probably 75 to 80%. But it's ready to go back to work, and it'll make it to the games. Speaking of the games, have you got your supporter package yet? There's the red wrecker, and there's Blondie. You can get them off of our website at bsfrecoveryteam.com. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods. Abby's practicing her welding. She's got a class project.
Assignment.
Assignment?
I have to MIG weld butt joints.
Ah, okay. So let's see how you do.
I haven't done MIG in a while.
Yeah?
I'm gonna be rusty.
So put your little bit of a gap in there. Tack it, and tack it on this end.
Wire.
Need to be closer than that. Okay. Are you good?
Goes like when I do sick or?
Yeah.
I didn't go straight.
Kind of lost track of where you were.
Yeah. Hey, I think I was doing good.
Well, yeah, it's easier to MIG weld, but a little more of a gap and...
Well, I can't see my metal. All I see is, I thought I was going straight. Okay. Oh. We won't show him that side. Ooh, that's not nice. Hey, is that a better gap?
Yeah, it's actually a little big, but on the one side.
Well.
Yeah.